good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Let's get into the video. I had an issue with the back, which I was supposed to rectify. So now you know that this is more like the underbust area. So initially, I'll show you how the other dress looks like the inspiration for this dress. So you see what I'm saying. So now, because I made it to a fitted dress, I would have to do something about this back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this up, the dart, loosen the other dart, join it together, and then taking that from each side so it's a bit fitted on the waist. So when I do it, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It's going to look a lot better. So this is how I'm going to hold it down here. This is going to be like that intake. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm going to iron it out, and that's all I need to do. I actually added dart allowance. If you are doing yours, please do not add any dart allowance. Just go ahead and cut it, and when you are done, you do not even necessarily have to have a joining at the back. You can just do it one whole piece, and when you are done, you just go ahead and hold your dart in place, so this place snitches a lot fitted than just being free and not shapeless and all that. What I'm doing now is taking my vertical measurements, shoulder to bust point, shoulder to under bust point, shoulder to waist, shoulder to hip, and then shoulder to my full leg. Now I'm taking my shoulder measurement divided by 2. I'm taking my armhole measurement, which is shoulder divided by 2 or bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. For my neckline, I took 4.5 inches by 7 inches. You can go lower, you can go wider. The next thing to do,
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.